Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Monday. Well, today as you can see we're going to be starting this diamond painting called Dorothy. And we're going to start in the lower right hand corner. We're going to be diamond painting today, so let me pull you in so you can see the drills at least and where I'm drilling. Color is 730 and it's kind of a khaki olive green. Very pretty color. So let's get started. Maybe I have to bring it in just a little bit more. Oh my goodness. How we all doing, peeps? I hope you're all doing great. I gotta back up just a bit. I'm like right on top of it. I did tape down the ends just for the purpose of the video. And I got my little cat needle minder over here holding the plastic back because I don't want to cut it off. It just would not be good. So what is everybody doing? Whoops. That missed the whole thing. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm glad it's Monday, but it has been freezing cold. It got like sub-zero last night. So hopefully it'll warm up before I... Sorry about that. I had to go find my other diamond painting pen. And we're just going to use this wax that I got. So, yeah. Because it just... the pen was not loaded. So instead of taking time to do that, we'll just use this pen. I did have a mermaid tail there for a while. But I gave that one to my granddaughter because, you know, mermaids and Ariel and all that. So she still uses it when we do our little diamond painting adventures and work on crafts. So. Yeah, and I have no idea where the others are. They may be packaged up because I took the whole thing, you know, to my daughter's house. So it's probably still in that bag. So what's everybody up to? I hope you're all staying nice and warm and toasty. It has been a weekend. I'll be glad to go someplace else. Hopefully my car will start. We'll have to wait and see. Oh, I had two there. Whoops. My bad. My bad. But I thought this looked like a really good place to start. See, I didn't even get it pushed down. But we'll start with a few drills and use a few different colors here. Let's see how this all goes. But I really like the diamond paintings from FeelookArt. They're very nice. The quality is there. Yeah, it just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, come on. Seriously. One right there. Oh, yay. Did finish it. Now, for right now, I'm any extra drills I have, I will put back in the thing. And what I do is I just fold this over for time being till like I said, I couldn't find it earlier. Find my little containers. I know they're here somewhere. And put a piece of tape on it and it holds it. My daughter takes a lighter and kind of fuses the end. So, yeah. Each to his own. But there's not a whole ton, so there shouldn't be a problem with overfilling. There might be extra, you know, color of one particular number. Usually it's 310 black, but yeah. But I just cut the end off like that and get the plastic and put it away so it doesn't get stuck to my diamond painting. That has happened. And this color is 437. All right, I had to see which symbol that went with. But yeah, I thought we'd do this for a while. And this is nice and small. It fits well on my desk. It's not overwhelming to the desk, because I've had some that were really big. Where am I going? Talking and drilling. I don't know. It's a different concept than stitching. Although, you know, hey, sometimes I have problems with that as well. Whoop. Oh, goodness. I am using the tray that they gave me. Oh, come on. Had to add some more wax to it. I haven't used one of those, I'll call them vacuum drill placers. So I don't know what that's like, or if they even work, you know. I don't know that much about them. It'd be kind of nice not to have to keep adding wax here and there, you know, all the time. So maybe I'll invest in one of those one of these days. Let me pull you out. Whoops. That was way too far. Sorry. I don't mean to make you dizzy. Make sure we're still in the center of everything. The drills are very nice. There was no, I'll call it trash in there, you know, extra pieces of plastic, anything like that. They didn't seem to be, you know, staticky, so that's nice. And the symbols are very clear and easy to see. I don't even have to use my light pad. It's a good thing because it's buried over here. So I'll kind of continue with this and see how it works up. Hang on, I'm going to move you over so you can see what's going on. Oh dear, we're stuck. There we go. That was scary. I sometimes make the mistake of setting the tray down right on the glue, but it doesn't hurt the glue. It's just remove it very slowly and very carefully, because otherwise you'll throw them drills 6 ways from Sunday. Have done that. Have done that. So yeah, we might do some diamond painting this week and work on this a little bit and see how far we can get. Whoops, that puppy's upside down. So, I hope you're all warm and toasty. I gotta go out. I don't want to go out. It's cold. No. It's supposed to be in the 30s today, so that's much warmer than yesterday. Yesterday, I don't think it crested, what was that? Maybe 20-some degrees with the wind chill factor, because there was little wind. Nothing too long. I mean, it didn't last for very long. It was a couple hours, and then it was all over. So, yay! But still, it was not what you call warm at all. And we got maybe a half an inch of snow. Nothing too horribly big. Oh, maybe I can get that in there. So see, I just put the spout in here and tip my little tray. And it goes right back in there. Then we get ourselves a piece of tape so the drills don't fall over, you know, the bag doesn't fall over and get stuff everywhere. We'll open one more here, because there's nothing like putting these drills back in that, you know, how they were all packaged up. You know, all of them in that long thing, yeah. And then some of them get loose. Yeah, it doesn't work well. But see how the drills fall into those little grooves? It's awesome. I love these trays. So much better than those little green ones. In fact, now I'm using those little green ones for my slow stitching, you know, when I use beads, because they won't fall out like this. I tried to use one of these, and yeah, that didn't work, because every time I'd pick it up, they roll out the end. So this is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, if anybody has any project they'd like to share, or that they're working on, or they've finished, you can send it to my email address, and it's in the description box below, and I will get it into the next drill with me or stitch with me as soon as I possibly can, because we like to see all the things. Everybody likes to do something different every once in a while. Give everything a break. So that's why I like diamond painting. It's an easy go-to. You know, you can just open it up, pick a color, and just put drills down. It's very relaxing. Put on some music or an audiobook, or you can watch TV as far as that goes. It's very nice. It's kind of a nice, quick, easy fix for something different. So, yeah. Very nice. Alright, guys. Well, thank you for joining me and starting this. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.